So hello and welcome to my house. I'm Tron and I'm still in lockdown, as are you probably. I don't know actually, if you're not, go out to the park or something. Sorry. Welcome to Future Media. I'm Tron and I'm going to be your teacher for this course. It's going to take place from the 2nd to the 12th of August. From Zero to Hero is a great way to start learning more in depth the art and craft of electronic music production. My expertise is in psychedelic trance, but you can apply this to mostly any style you want. The course is divided into 5 days, 2 for beginners and 3 for advanced producers. You can opt out of one or the other, or take both at a discount price. We will be looking at sound design from the root elements like kick and bass to the most elaborate textures like pads, leads, arpeggios, sequences, etc. I will teach you my way of constructing a track and having straightforward workflow in the studio. I will show you my tricks and arrangement methods, sound mangling and all kinds of messing with sounds, so you have a fully evolved track in the end of the 3rd day. On the 4th day we will mix and process all our sounds. I will explain my process of mix and relative levels and corrections to be looking for in order to get a mix ready for master and release. On the last day, we will master some tracks and I will show you different ways of dealing with specific problems to get consistently good sound over all your masters. Stop by to check the program. There is links for my YouTube channel if you want a cheeky preview of what's coming in the course. Thanks for your time and see you soon at Future Media.